Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes not stick to liners. First, always start with good quality paper liners. They are designed to release more easily than cheaper alternatives. Before adding batter, lightly spray the inside of each liner with a non-stick cooking spray. This creates an extra barrier, ensuring your delicious cupcakes slide out effortlessly every time. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. Next, pay attention to how you fill and cool your cupcakes. Avoid overfilling. Aim for about 2/3 full to prevent muffin tops from sticking to the pan. Once baked, immediately transfer the hot cupcakes to a wire rack. Allowing them to cool completely on the rack prevents condensation from forming, which can make liners damp and cause sticking. Patience here is key for perfect results. Proper storage also plays a role in preventing sticking. Once your cupcakes are completely cool, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. This helps maintain their moisture without making the liners soggy. When it's time to enjoy, gently twist the cupcake while holding the liner. This small motion helps break any minor adhesion, allowing for a clean and easy release every single time. For an even easier release, consider using foil liners instead of paper. They are naturally less prone to sticking and often peel away with minimal effort. Also, ensure your oven temperature is accurate. Uneven baking can sometimes contribute to sticking. A consistent temperature helps the cupcake bake uniformly, reducing the chances of it clinging to the liner. These small adjustments can make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.